Dorner Manufacturing presents FlexMove Pallet Systems, flexible chain conveyors and pallets for product routing, control, and inspection. The system provides accurate positioning in a variety of assembly automation industries, including automotive, medical, electronics, health and beauty, life sciences, and more. With a variety of innovative pallet handling modules that are each sold as independent kits, FlexMove Pallet Systems provide complete flexibility in design and layout. FlexMove pallet systems are available in 105mm widths and available in lengths up to 98 feet. They can handle loads up to 600 pounds. Pallets are available in 3 sizes and can be purchased as completed assemblies or as kits for custom integrations. The pallets feature a unique pin tracking system to guide the pallet along the conveyor and provide accuracy at stop locations. Dorner's merge and diverts are available in 3 kit styles depending on layout. Utilizing the pallet pin tracking system, the pneumatic diverter is adjustable in both positions as well as in height. The module is sold as an individual component for design flexibility. The lift and locate features clamps on the stopping block, which allow for maximum functionality of the pallet surface. The system can be mounted anywhere on the conveyor without guide rail modification. Pallet stops are available in cushioned and non-cushioned models. They can also be mounted at any location on the conveyor and can be easily relocated as needed. FlexMove pallet systems can be used on Dorner's standard FlexMove conveyor or a FlexMove top-running loop conveyor. The continuous loop features a patent-pending top-running drive design for added strength, flexibility, and load capabilities. Consistent with Dorner's industry-best lead times, FlexMove pallet systems ship in 4 weeks and ship in sub-assemblies for fast and easy installation. Dorner conveyors come standard with the peace of mind of the Dorner 10-year warranty. Using Dorner's online configurator, you can design and engineer simple or complex conveyors to meet your needs in minutes. The industry-leading tool delivers a complete 3D CAD assembly model for instant validation of fit. Talk to a Dorner representative today to find out if FlexMove pallet systems are the right solution for your application. FlexMove pallet systems, delivering ultimate flexibility in product routing and control.